Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set messaging information on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and then click on the profile icon option in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the manage section and click on settings. Scroll down till you find the messaging option and click on it. Now, as you can see, there are 5 options that you can turn on, or functions, all related to messaging and chats. The first one is the read receipts function, meaning that you will send and receive read receipts in chats with 20 or fewer people. So click on this button if you would like to turn this on. Then you can turn on the large emoticons option, meaning that you are going to be able to make single emoticons larger in chat. There is the third option, which is called the web links previews. Show me a preview of websites I send or receive. Then there is the web links open in Skype, and the auto download photos. So if you receive or send a picture using Skype, it will automatically appear in your gallery. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.